It's for 8 people, so it's pretty big.
You know what they call me, my friend? Chef Ramsay.
Ta-da, bye-bye.
There is a reason the road calls to us, especially in the fall. As the world quiets down, we find ourselves drawn to the places that still hold mystery. Where the colors are richer, the air is sharper, and the time feels like it slows with each mile. Today, we are leaving behind the noise, following the path into the nature's own rhythm. Stick with us as we wander through the beauty of the Arden. A pause by the water. It's in these moments that nature has a way of reminding us to just be. Crossing state lines and leaving the familiar behind.
Oh, Greyland it is.
We are finally here, setting up our home under the open skies. This is where it all slows down. The only walls around us are trees, and the only roof is the canopy of stars. Out here, comfort comes not from the walls we know, but from the wilderness that surrounds us.
Finally, we have got our camp set up for the expedition series. It's for 8 people, so it's pretty big. I'm expecting a few guests tonight. We are gonna have a fire. We're gonna have probably barbecue grill. They're gonna stay with us as well. Now we are just gonna go grab our late dinner slash lunch because we didn't have any dinner or lunch yet. And we're really hungry. I've got headaches. So we'll first do that and then we'll continue the series when they come along. The party has started. What time is it right now? 8:07, exactly. So party has started, 8:07. Anas is here. You can see most of the stuff he brought, like he's doing the barbecue and everything. We have our own little bit fire going on here. Can you focus on that little bit fire right there? You know, just to give us a little bit of chill. Fire's about to get started, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, we got the skewers. We're gonna get started on the shenanigans. What do you want me to put? The chicken piece or
No.
the meat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tomorrow, the city, I think like most probably there are like 15 people.
Food tastes different out here. Maybe it's the smoke, or the cold air, or just the way everything feels earned after a day of wandering. But this is how meals are meant to be.
You know what they call me, my friend? Chef Ramsay.
واتساب ولا درست لهم كانوا ما قبل ور فورورد
Come to die.
هم ده دي كان ده ور فورورد
Copy.
لا كابي او بس قلت لك سمع هذا ور فورورد او بس ده بدي بنتي سينجوس كليكي ده برضه جوجل مابس كي كلوش والله
Like back in the day.
Back in the day, good old days.
Nella back in the 60s he used to
Back in the 60s, bro, I don't know, bro.
He
This guy
used
was
to
not in
Yeah everyone, so we got a new guest right there, Mehran. You know him, the guy.
Just got here from work.
He's nuts. He came all the way straight from work. Like no break, no nothing.
He's
It's
not
pretty fun, you know, kind of chilly out, but you know, we got the fire going. So.
It's not chilly, as a matter of fact, it's freezing, bro. Thought it was,
But anyways, the weather I think is a little better than compared to Canada, right?
Yeah, oh
no,
shit.
no, but hold on.
Mehran, you remember?
I've seen, like,
you
the
remember when
winter
he
over there.
forgot his jacket?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
like,
It's like, what were you thinking?
check out that video, guys. It's
No.
that trip to Canada.
Check out that video. I'm gonna link it out.
Listen to me, I've seen even worse, you know, here.
I haven't seen worse cold than Canada, bro. Canada was really cold.
No, it was windy on that day, especially like on that day, right? No, but like us, like, you know, like we are in the middle of October, and that one was like in the middle of winter. It was February, right?
It was winter.
Yeah, no, that
So
shit
it was
was
winter,
like,
winter.
like
And now we are in the fall.
like negative 27, negative 30.
But honestly, here's the thing: you can't even trust Canada, right? Because like it'd be the middle of July and it just starts snowing out of nowhere.
That's how is it with New York. Exactly.
And I'm like, yo, it's,
Yo,
it's
honestly,
supposed to be
like, no,
summer.
like this whole camping thing, like we live right next to all these campsites, but I don't know, bro. We're just lazy, actually. Like,
Yeah, man, it's like it's good stuff. You know what I'm saying?
it's good stuff. Like we got our land over there with Akhtar over there, so like why don't we just go there sometimes? Like, we just go there for a hike and come back.
Bro, if you go there for hiking, go ahead and
No,
be
but
doing
if
half
you
of the
go-
camping.
if you
No, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. We got the fire rolling.
Honestly, it's a little chewy though.
Yeah, it is a bit serious.
It's a bit hard.
stage.
Yeah. Gotta tell you something funny.
Medium rare. Like
So gotta
This is not medium rare, bro.
man, hold on.
burned to hell.
Gotta tell you something funny. Here's what happened. So I told this guy, right, that we were going for one night camping, you know, pack accordingly. This guy packs a huge PA bag. And I'm like, yo, are you trying to go back?
Listen, he was going to another country, bro. So you never know.
I'm like, dude, this is camping.
Bro, I'm not gonna do it again,
One last time.
Retake.
One last time.
يلا خلاص.
Hey, how you guys doing? This is my friend Walid, and that's her son. Both are from Bardan. Mr. Usman, very famous on TikTok. If you guys don't know, check his ID out.
Mr. Hero.
Mr. Hero.
Mr. Hero, all right, Mr. Hero, I'm
And Mr. Abdullah from Swat too. They both are cousins. And Mohsen, I mean he's from Swat too, but I don't know.
His cousin
You're not
also.
related to them, are you?
Yeah, he's my cousin.
Oh, okay, okay.
So cousins.
They all are cousins.
Oh, that's cool.
That's Mr. Hassan.
Yeah, we did
He's from
Nickname is Kari.
Oh, cool, cool.
This is Mr.
That's the younger brother. Right.
And I think that's about it.
That's about it.
Why?
You guys already know me.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
what they call me.
Yeah, exactly. He's
Big
the,
dog, that's what they call me. Local
he's the big dog, fam.
sniffer.
So as you can see, everybody has gathered around. We're just enjoying the fire with the cars and the tent right here. All right, guys. So it's been really amazing night for us. We enjoyed all the barbecue and everything. My cousins, they are here with me, staying as you can see right there. We're gonna go. It's currently 1:30. We're gonna go to sleep, and I'll see you guys in the morning with a whole new video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Comment, share, like, and subscribe, and see you in the morning. Ta-da! Bye-bye.